Hi, today I am going to show how to create a new Copilot using the Copilot Studio tool with the SharePoint Online site as a data source. So let's get started on how to create that. The very first thing we need to do is we need to go to this Copilot Studio Microsoft.com site. Then, at the left side, we'll see Create button. Then we can see there are many templates. We can see the template like Safe Travels, Store Operations, Sustainability Insights, Navigator, and many more. Either we can start with any of these templates, or we can create with the empty template. Let's click on the new Copilot link. Now we have two options: scope to configure and create. Click on the Create option. Let's wait for some times. Okay, my Copilot got created. Then, I will rename my Copilot. Let's rename it. Rest of the configuration I will keep as it is. Click on the Settings button. Copilot settings details are in disabled mode yet, because the Copilot is still being set up. So, let's wait for a few seconds, as the setting up process is still in progress. Yes, the setting up process is completed now. I just renamed my Copilot. I will not change any other settings. Click on the Save button. For the data source, add SharePoint Online site as a knowledge. There are many data sources in this screen. Here I will select SharePoint. OneDrive option. Here I will pass my SharePoint Online site URL where I have my data. I have added my SharePoint Online site URL. Okay, the moment I have added my SharePoint site as knowledge, I can see it is listed under the knowledge. Now my Copilot is ready to test. We'll just ask something about SharePoint Online and Power Platform. I just asked what is collaboration platform? Let's see what is the answer I get from here. If I have something in my SharePoint Online site with respect to this text, I will definitely get the answer. Yes, I got the answer and see the answer is. A collaboration platform is a tool that enables users to work together on projects, share information, communicate, and coordinate tasks effectively. So this is the answer generated by Copilot. Capabilities and security controls to facilitate seamless teamwork within organizations. This is the source from where the answer has been generated. So this is the source URL. Now if I want to see which topic generated this answer, how to get that topic details. There will be many topics for a Copilot created automatically when you create a new Copilot. These are all topics. We have custom topics. We have system topics. So out of this, which topics generated this answer, and which one got triggered and generated this answer? So how to verify that? Just click on the answer text, yes. And then we could see the respective topic that triggered and generated this answer. See trigger on unknown intent, and this is the Create Generative Answers node, which processes the user request and generated the answer. Let's see what the configurations are we have behind this Create Generative Answer node. We have Allow AI to use its so general knowledge. Preview. Then if you click on the Add Knowledge, we can see the Add Available Knowledge Sources screen. Only selected sources to see my knowledge we just created in this demo. That's all for now. Thanks for watching this demo. Please like and subscribe to my channel for the upcoming videos.